How to remove watermark from video without blur. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to remove a watermark from a video without blur. Alright, so let's begin. Over here, head over to the website media.io and click on sign up for free to create a free account. After that, tap on this product tab and then tap on watermark remover. Then you land on this page. Over here, tap in this option that says remove water now. Then you land on the eraser interface. Make sure to log into your account before proceeding. Click on the upload here button or drag and drop your video file. After uploading the video, you'll see a brush. You can change the size of the brush as needed. Then select the area you want to remove from the video and click the Remove Objects Now button. It will take some time to process. After a couple of minutes, the processing is done and you can watch or download the image without a watermark. So that's basically how you can remove a watermark from a video without blur. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.